Okay, different day, different donut. Okay, I'm going to try this in this pan. This is my turkey pan, turkeyless pan, tofurkey pan. I use it at Thanksgiving. Anyway, I'll drop them in one by one, but I have them all cut up here, ready to go. I think the scissors are the best. If you try a knife, that's not going to work. I mean, it'll smash it. But anyway, I'm going to take these and just stretch them and then drop them. Now I have the lid on the pot. I've dropped the 2 rolls, which would be 4 cups. I'm not sure. I'll have to try it again. 4 cups of the gluten, 1 whole batch. Maybe half batch. I'll have to check it out. I'm not remembering right. Anyway, you want it on high, a rolling boil, when you drop them in, because that kind of sets them for this shape. And I use a large pan with holes in it. This works best. Let them roll around. They're not going to stick to each other once they're in the pot. You see they start floating to the top. These need to cook at the very minimum of 2 hours, and that's so you'll get them tender. If you stop cooking them too fast, and they will be tough. If you notice that they're tough, it's okay to put them back into the water